Welcome to Camper Van Travel. Welcome to this short journey around the beautiful landscape of the Dinorwic Quarry. Once the second largest slate quarry in the world, Dinorwic was a major source of slate for over a century. Its dramatic terraced landscape is a testament to Wales' industrial heritage. The Dinorwic Quarry, which closed in 1969, was a vital part of Wales's slate industry, shaping the region's history. Okay, that's about it for this video. Time to head back. I hope you enjoyed this short flyby of the Dinorwic Quarry. See you next time.